Hey everyone, it's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Still working on the 71 Challenger RT. We're going to continue to get this engine and transmission to drop out. Looks like it's about to come out, so let's start taking the bolts out that hold the transmission in play first. Let's get those things out, and once we get those out, then we'll work on the 4 bolts that hold the engine in and the K-frame. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get this going. Well, it looks like they've got a 5/8 here. There's a 5/8 right there, and then a 9/16 here. This is wrong. These, I can tell that some of these bolts are correct, and then some of them are not. So it looks like these two 5/8 ones are correct. The nuts, though, I'm not sure that those look right, but these other bolts are just all wrong. So you need to make sure to get the right transmission bracket bolts when this thing goes back together. Let's get this thing apart. Well, we got them loose. Now I just need to knock them out, pull this thing down. So let's knock them out. This will be loose, and I can work on those bolts, and we need to get our little dolly ready for the K-frame and everything to drop down. If you notice here, you can see the K-frame. I'm lowering it slowly. I have this dolly created for the K-frame and the transmission. So if you notice, there's a hole right there, and you've got this part in the K-frame that's already has a hole in it because you had it connected right here to the front underneath the car. Well, take that loose, you put a good grade 8 bolt through it, and you're going to line that up to that hole there. Then we go back here, and as you can see, there's a pad, and you can see how it adjusts, and we're going to adjust it to support the transmission, or the back of the engine there where it goes to transmission. So that will be supported there. So we're going to slowly lower it down, and we may have to make an adjustment here to screw it, you know, to go higher or lower, and then we'll unbolt the K-frame and then drop the whole thing on the dolly, and away we go. Now, the K-frame bolts. All right, going up. Go up. Okay. Okay, go up. Okay. You're good. Keep going. More?
Yeah.
Is a fan hitting up front?
Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, go. Go. Let's go.
Something's catching here. This wire's catching on something. Why is this? Or is it hit? Yeah, it seems like it's hitting over here. Or maybe it's just hitting the frame, and that's what's getting me.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. Oh, watch out. Oh. Okay, it's catching.
Okay, go up a little bit. Keep going. Okay. Oh. You're clear. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. You're good, though. You forgot.
What'd I forget?
2 wires.
We'll hook it up, undo them from the...
We can undo it here or where?
Yeah, just undo it from right there. Just undo it from the block. Is that half?
9/16.
Sometimes it seems like you always miss like one thing. And,
Sometimes.
Yep, just missed that one.
Now you go.
My bad. It's clear. All right, cool. Well, there you have it, everyone. The engine and transmission have come out together, as you just saw. As you raise it, get those bolts out. Get these bolts out here. Transmission. And, you know, unhook everything. We had a little snag because I forgot to get the battery cable that was hooked up to right up here. So just, you know, hey, there's a lot of little things that are attached, and that happens. You just forget one and you'll watch it, and it's nice to have a helper. My buddy Gary, he was helping me so that we could make sure to watch it, and you know, things like that. You know, we catch sooner than later so we don't damage something or cause any issues. So, but there you go, 440 6-pack engine transmission out of the 71 Challenger 440 6-pack car. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.